Quick Facts with Franklin. I hope you learned something. Love you. Bye. State capital and facts. Science. History. World. Math. Connecticut is home to colonial roots, classic New England charm, and the first hamburger. The capital, Hartford, is one of the oldest cities in the USA. The Constitution State joined the Union in January 1788, making it part of the 13 original colonies. From scenic coastlines to charming towns, Connecticut proves big adventures come in small packages. Come, see for yourself. The official state bird of Connecticut is the American robin. It is instantly recognizable by its warm orange belly and melodic song. Unlike other birds, they tend to stay put instead of migrating. This allows them to switch their diet from insects to berries. Snow or shine, the American robin truly loves Connecticut. Gerty Cori won a Nobel Prize for discovering how our bodies store and use energy from food. She proved that sugar turns into a special fuel called glycogen to power our muscles. This amazing breakthrough changed everything we know about how living things stay alive. Her big idea showed how sugar travels from the liver to muscles when we are active. She found that a special cycle moves this fuel back and forth to keep our bodies working smoothly. Together, they created the first clear picture of metabolism working like a busy factory. Understanding this cycle helps doctors treat diseases where the body cannot use sugar properly. It explains how our muscles stay strong even after a long day of playing or studying hard. This knowledge gave scientists a map to unlock many other secrets about human health and metabolism. Her discovery helps athletes train better by understanding how their muscles get tired during a race. It also allows doctors to help patients manage diabetes and other energy disorders effectively. This discovery continues to save lives and improve health for millions of people around the world every single day. To learn more about Gerty Cori, read her biography, read her many publications, or watch documentaries on carbohydrate metabolism and enzyme research. If you are near St. Louis, consider planning a trip to visit her exhibit at Washington University. Thank you, Gerty Cori, for your amazing work to uncovering the secrets of life and inspiring future scientists everywhere. The water cycle is nature's never-ending journey that water travels around our planet. This incredible process moves water through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. Without ever stopping, every drop of water you see today has been on this adventure for millions of years. Sunlight warms up oceans and lakes, causing liquid water to turn into invisible vapor that rises high into the atmosphere. As this warm air cools down, it clumps together to form fluffy white clouds through a process called condensation. These heavy clouds eventually release their water back to Earth as rain, snow, or hail in a step known as precipitation. This cycle is vital because it provides fresh water for plants to grow and animals to drink. Without this constant movement, our rivers would dry up and the soil would become too dusty to support life. Every drop of rain helps clean the air and refill the underground storage tanks that supply our taps. Another little-known fact is that it also helps regulate global temperatures by moving heat, energy from warm places to cooler areas across the planet. When too much rain falls too quickly, it causes rivers to overflow their banks and flood nearby cities and farms. Long-term changes like droughts can dry up these same rivers, leaving communities without enough water for drinking or farming. Understanding these patterns helps scientists predict weather changes and protect communities from storms. To learn more about the water cycle, read about hydrology, which studies how water moves through the ground and air. You can also explore meteorology to understand exactly how clouds form and why storms happen in different places around the world. Also, visit your local science center to interact with models that show the cycle. Learning more about this process will help you understand the importance of water conservation and how our planet stays hydrated every single day. The Agate Fossil Bed's National Monument holds a unique record of life from the Miocene epoch that was preserved in an instant. Scientists call this phenomenon rapid burial because it happened so quickly that soft tissues sometimes survived alongside bones. During the Miocene epoch, this area was a dry grassland filled with herds of strange creatures that looked nothing like modern animals. Sudden mudslides swept through the valley, trapping these grazing mammals in thick layers of silt and clay instantly. This rapid covering acts like a protective shield, preventing scavengers from disturbing the remains and slowing down decay processes significantly. The result is an incredibly detailed snapshot of ancient ecosystems, where entire groups of animals lived side by side in a specific moment in time. These fossil beds provide crucial evidence for understanding how species evolved and adapted to changing climates over millions of years. Researchers can study the size, shape, and diet of these ancient animals to trace their lineage back to modern descendants we see today. The collection reveals a complete picture of life before humans ever walked the earth. Understanding these ancient adaptations helps us predict how modern animals might change if our world gets hotter or drier today. The knowledge gained from agate fossil beds guides conservationists who work to protect endangered species facing similar challenges now. Protecting this land ensures future generations can learn about the history of life on our planet. To learn more about Agate Fossil Bed's National Monument, you can explore interactive maps that show where these ancient creatures once roamed freely. You can also read books or watch documentaries tracking the early excavations. Consider planning a trip to Nebraska to see this wonderful site. I hope you learned something. If not, let's watch again. Love you. Bye.